Welcome. In this video, we'll go through the simple steps on how to add or update your industry on the LinkedIn app for PC. With the latest update, LinkedIn has slightly changed its layout, and knowing where to find this option can help you make sure your profile is fully optimized for networking and opportunities. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Me icon. This is where all your personal settings are located. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new window with all the different options tied to your account. Stay in the section called Account Preferences. This is where you'll be able to adjust the details that appear on your LinkedIn profile. Once you're inside Account Preferences, find the section called Profile Information. Under this area, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where LinkedIn stores your key details. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Industry. This is the field you'll want to update. Simply click on it, and a list of different industries will appear. Take your time to scroll through and pick the one that best matches the work you do or the field you represent. Adding the right industry is very important because it helps LinkedIn connect you with relevant professionals, recruiters, and communities within your sector. After selecting your industry, don't forget the most important part. Click Save. Once you do, your profile will update instantly, and your chosen industry will now be visible on your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully added your industry on the LinkedIn app for PC. Making sure these details are accurate is a small step, but it goes a long way in making your profile stand out. Keeping your industry updated also ensures your profile appears in the right searches, making it easier for others to find and connect with you.